Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup look. It's really a very simple everyday look, like when I go to my dance class or whenever I go out during the daytime. This is the only makeup that I'm wearing. I'm not wearing a foundation. This look is absolutely without a foundation. It's just a very simple makeup look with very few makeup products, and I like it this way since it's summer. I don't like to use a lot of makeup on me. Alright, so that was the quick introduction, and now let's get started. So before starting with the video, let me talk to you about two products that I have been constantly using. As an influencer, I don't always have time for a full makeup routine and don't want to damage my skin with heavy products. Luckily, I discovered Mamaearth's Vitamin C Daily Glow Lumi Cream, a perfect moisturizer that highlights my skin and gives me a daily glow. A double-duty moisturizer and highlighter in one. This cream is packed with goodness of vitamin C and turmeric, which brighten and smooth and hydrate your skin, leaving it dewy and moisturized. So I apply this in the morning just like a regular moisturizer, and for the glam look you can also apply it as a highlighter on the cheekbones or the T-zone, giving that instant shimmery and dewy look. This also works as a perfect base under makeup, which gives that shiny, natural looking skin. Also introducing Mamaearth's Vitamin C Daily Glow Face Serum, enriched with 5% vitamin C and 50 times its power that fights radical damage and brighten your skin. You can use this daily, morning and night for a consistent glow. These are made safe certified, toxin free and free from harmful chemicals and safe to use every day. Also, Mamaearth's Plant Goodness initiative links every purchase you make from Mamaearth to a tree they plant on your behalf. They're aiming to plant 1 million trees by 2025. Mamaearth's products are available online at Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Flipkart, as well as in stores near you. Give it a try and don't forget to use code SUSH2023 to get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app only. And now let's get started with the video. Not wearing any lens because obviously when we do our natural makeup and go out every day, we don't wear lens. I just wash my face and now I'll just start prepping my face. So the first thing I use is a serum. You can use any serum that suits your skin. I use a vitamin C serum and I'll just tap it on my face just like that and on my forehead. Be very, very gentle on your skin. So once I'm done with the vitamin C, I normally use any moisturizer on top of it. So you can use any moisturizer that suits you. Since it's summer, I am using an oil-free moisturizer. I'll mention all the products in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I just massage my face really gently and really nicely. Prepping my face is something that I love doing before I do my makeup. If I go out, if I don't go out, I still use a sunscreen on my face. And don't forget the neck also. It's just April the 10th and it's already so hot, it's so warm outside. Summer is my favorite season. It's time for all the cold beverages, all the ice creams. Also, let me know if summer is your favorite season. I would want to know. So now I'll use a strobe cream and I'll just put some at the back of my hand and apply it directly on my face. So I changed my whole shoot setup. As you can see, the background is different. Let me know how you like this background. Previous backgrounds, I had to adjust my camera, I had to adjust the lights. It was a very tiring process when you have to lift up the heavy lights and put it every time you need to shoot. Fix the camera every time. So I thought, let me have a space where I can fix the lights permanently, put the camera up permanently, and then whenever I feel like shooting, I'll just switch on the lights and switch on the camera and then I'm done. That is what's happening now. You can already see how glowy my face looks right now. Moving on to the eyebrows. Let me bring my mirror here. Oops, it's too close. I'll just fill in the gaps that I have. I won't make it very dramatic. Don't be very heavy with the eyebrows when you're going out, like every day out and going out with friends, unless and until it's a big event that you have to attend or a party. The eyebrow has to match whatever is going on with the rest of your face. So if you're keeping the rest of your face very light, then do the eyebrows light too. Otherwise, it just does not balance out the whole look. If you want, you can go ahead with an eyebrow gel to set the hair in place. So I love using an eyebrow gel after I do my eyebrows with a pencil. I notice that every time I use it, my eyebrow hair, it does not budge. Next, I'm going to use a concealer. I'll just use a light layer of concealer like right here and then right here. And then taking a beauty blender, I will blend it. And this concealer is just amazing. It's the only concealer that I have been using these days. It's just amazing. If you need a little bit more concealer, you can go ahead and apply. I use the concealer only under my eyes. I don't touch any other area in my face. Like, I have pigmentation on the sides of my forehead, but it's okay. I have accepted that and it's fine. I don't mind it anymore. It just looks like my face has been contoured. So that's the reason why I don't use any concealer over there. But if you have any other area on your face where you need to apply the concealer, like any pigmentation or anything like that, you can go ahead and use the concealer there. After I use the concealer, I use a compact. So I'm just going to press my beauty blender just like that and then apply it right under my eyes to set the concealer. And I will not use the powder on any other area of my face. This is the only area that I need to set. Next is I use a blush. I cannot leave my home without a blush. I love blushes that much. So use any blush that you like. It can be a powder blush, it can be a cream blush. Recently, I have been using a cream blush and I have been loving it. I received it in PR and I can't stop using this. And then I just blend it with my fingers. Don't go too heavy on your blush because remember, it's just an everyday look. Whatever remains in my hand, I'll just use it on my nose. So this is the blush that I use regularly, but since because of the harsh light, you really cannot see the blush, but it's a very nice light pink shade. And it just looks like you're flushing from within. But since it's not showing on camera, I'll use powder blush on top of this. So you don't have to use a cream blush and then a powder blush on top of it. But if you want, you can. So it's just makeup, you just play around. It just looks so pretty. And what I do is, if I use the cream blush, I'll put the cream blush on top of my eyelids. Since I'm using a powder blush right now, I'm going to take a little bit of it and put it on top of my eyelids, just like that. Just to bring in a light hint of color so that everything looks uniform and everything balances out really well. And normally I do not use the highlighter because of the products that I've already used, like the strobe cream and stuff. It's just gonna bring a nice glow to my face. So next, for the lipstick, I just use a nude lipstick. You can wear whatever lipstick you want, but since it's a natural look, I would say that wear a nude lipstick or a light pinkish lipstick. So I'll just take this and scoop out the excess, and then I will just dab it on my lips and then spread it out with the finger. And just choose the lipstick very wisely. Whatever suits your face, your skin tone, use that lipstick shade so that it just looks like your natural lips, but better. Don't apply directly with the wand or the bullet. Just tap it on your lips and just use your fingers to blend it. It just makes a huge difference. I generally don't wear a highlighter, but I'll show you how the look will be after you use a highlighter. So it will just be a little bit more glowy and more done up. You can also wear a highlighter, but just on top of your cheekbones, just a little bit, and your nose. Oh, what I also like doing is just pinching my brush and then taking the same blush shade and applying it on my lower lash line. And lastly, if you want, you can just spray some setting spray on your face. I always love using a glowy, dewy setting spray rather than a matte one, because if I use a matte one, it just gives me the feeling that my skin is drying out, and I hate that feeling. That's all that I do. Since I have my lash extensions, I don't use a mascara, but do not forget to use a mascara. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and do let me know what other things you do, like what other steps you include in your everyday makeup. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm just gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.